Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's workshop. I just finished the first glue up of the bent lamination handrail. It's about 1/3 of the total thickness. I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll do another 1/3 on the inside, and then after that dries I'll do a 1/3 on the outside to get the entire handrail made up. Typically when I'm gluing up laminations, I'll usually only wait 30 minutes to an hour before I'll take the clamps off and start the next phase. But because I'm dealing with pressure treated wood that has moisture in it, and then also the fact that it's under such stress in that bend, I'm going to let it sit for about 4 to 6 hours before I do the next glue up. But while I'm waiting on the glue to dry, I've got plenty I can do. So today's going to be a lot of finishing things. I'm going to try to get the last of the deck boards on the bottom level done, the last of the handrail done on the bottom level. I'm going to try to finish up what little bit of woven rope I have to do still. And then if I get all that done, I'm going to also try to tackle the deck boards on the second story. So, well, we got a lot to do, so let's quit talking, get to work, and see what we can get done today. Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hill's workshop. Well, I was going to go ahead and put the second layer of lamination on last night, but I got to thinking it doesn't hurt anything to wait till tomorrow morning, so give it the most time to do the best job of letting that glue dry as possible. I ended up using the Tight Bond 3, which is a weatherproof glue. I feel like the pressure treated is dry enough that it should work just fine. So I'm going to get ready. I cut a bunch of strips this morning. I'm going to get ready and take off the clamps and see how well it's going to hold. And if it's doing well, we'll go ahead and clamp about 10 more pieces onto the inside. Also last night, I finished up the deck boards, finished up the rope spindling, or whatever you want to call it, netting on the last bit of handrail there. The little bit of handrail that looks unfinished right there is for where the zip line will eventually be, I think. I haven't decided if I'm going to go ahead and put hand railing there and then take it down when I do the zip line, or if I'm going to put a gate there. That way, when you're not using the zip line, it's closed. But once I get that figured out, I will put that in. So let's see if we can't finish out this handrail. Get a little peek what it looks like from down here, and I'll take you up and see how the first glue up turned out. So I'm pretty happy with the first lamination. I left these up to give me kind of a form to clamp against. So I will now glue on a few more strips on the inside to get it to come and overhang maybe a ½ inch. And then after that's done, I will screw these down into the 2x4s and cut the backer piece off and then glue on enough to make it stick out about a ½ inch. Well, I will consider that a huge success. Well, I just finished what I hope is the third and final glue up of the handrail. I did it in 3 sections just to make it manageable. The first 2 turned out great. Hopefully the third does as well. I'll let this cook overnight, and if it's good and dry in the morning, I'll take it back to my shop and try to sand it down and get it looking nice. I don't know if I'm going to include that in this video or not because it's already getting kind of long. If you like this kind of video, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like this kind of video, hit the thumbs down button, but put a comment down and tell me why not. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you. Click the subscribe button below. And if you want to be notified every time I put out a video, hit the little bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.